In today's video, I'll show you how to play multiplayer in Block Crazy Robo World and join your friends easily. If you want to enjoy the game together with friends, just follow these simple steps. So, let's start. First, open Block Crazy Robo World on your device. Now tap on Play option. Now create a world as I am creating. Follow my steps. Make sure to enable multiplayer option from here. Now create the world. Now keep the game open on your device. Then, on your friend's device, open Block Crazy Robo World and go to the Play section. After that, tap on the Friends option. Here, your friend will be able to see your world in the available worlds list. Simply tap on your world to join and start playing together. Keep in mind, both you and your friend need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network to play multiplayer together. So that's how you can play multiplayer in Block Crazy Robo World with friends. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.